Cloud computing is a technology that allows individuals and organizations to access and use a wide range of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and more, over the internet, the cloud, on a pay-as-you-go basis. Instead of owning and maintaining physical hardware and software, users can leverage cloud resources provided by cloud service providers. Here are some key aspects of cloud computing. 1. Service models, asterisk. Asterisk infrastructure as a service, IaaS, asterisk. This provides virtualized computing resources over the internet, including virtual machines, storage, and networking. Users can manage and control the underlying infrastructure while focusing on their applications and data. Asterisk platform as a service, PaaS, asterisk. PaaS offers a platform that includes not only infrastructure but also development tools and services, making it easier for developers to build, deploy, and manage applications. Asterisk software as a service, SaaS, asterisk. SaaS delivers fully functional software applications over the internet on a subscription basis. Users can access these applications through a web browser without worrying about software installation and maintenance. 2. Deployment models, asterisk. Asterisk public cloud. Asterisk public cloud services are owned and operated by third-party cloud service providers, and they make resources available to the general public over the internet. Users share the same infrastructure but have their own isolated environments. Asterisk private cloud. Asterisk private clouds are operated exclusively for a single organization. They can be hosted on premises or by a third-party provider. Private clouds offer greater control and security. Asterisk hybrid cloud. Asterisk hybrid clouds combine public and private cloud elements. This allows data and applications to be shared between them, providing more flexibility and optimization of resources. 3. Key advantages. Asterisk scalability. Asterisk cloud resources can be easily scaled up or down to meet changing demands, eliminating the need for large, upfront investments in infrastructure. Asterisk cost efficiency. Asterisk cloud computing often offers a cost-effective pay-as-you-go model, reducing the need for capital expenditure on hardware and software. Asterisk flexibility and mobility. Asterisk users can access cloud services from anywhere with an internet connection, enabling remote work and collaboration. Asterisk reliability and redundancy. Asterisk leading cloud providers offer high levels of uptime and data redundancy to ensure reliability. Asterisk security and compliance. Asterisk cloud providers invest heavily in security measures and compliance certifications to protect data and meet regulatory requirements. 4. Use cases. Asterisk cloud computing is used for a wide range of applications, including web hosting, data storage, big data analytics, machine learning, disaster recovery, software development and testing, and more. Popular cloud service providers include Amazon Web Services, IaaS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, IBM Cloud, and many others. These providers offer a vast ecosystem of services to meet the diverse needs of businesses and individuals. Cloud computing has become an integral part of modern IT infrastructure and is fundamental to the digital transformation of industries worldwide.